You're probably scrolling through YouTube wondering how some faceless channels make thousands of dollars every single month without ever showing their face or using expensive gear. But here's something that most people completely overlook. There's one type of content that's quietly taking over YouTube, and it's not entertainment, gaming, or reaction videos. It's simple history documentaries. While digging around one night, I found a small channel that blew my mind. It had only 10 videos. That's it. No fancy studio, no big editing team, no celebrity voice. Just simple, well-made history videos. And that tiny channel already had over 270,000 subscribers. When I checked its stats on Social Blade, it showed something shocking. The channel earns around $24,000 a month from AdSense alone. That's just ad revenue. No sponsors, no merch, no paid courses. Just storytelling, good visuals, and consistency. When I searched YouTube for how to make history documentaries, I found almost nothing useful. No proper guides, no full tutorials. So that's exactly what this video is about. Today, I'm going to break down every single step, from creating a brand new YouTube channel, finding the perfect script, generating visuals for every line, turning them into a professional video, and finally optimizing it with AI-generated titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own faceless documentary channel from scratch, with zero experience and free AI tools. Let's get started. This isn't one of those vague AI can do everything tutorials that leave you more confused than when you started. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through every single step, clearly, visually, and practically. You'll see exactly what to click, what prompts to type, and which free tools to use to create an entire YouTube history documentary channel from scratch, using only AI tools. Here's what you'll learn: how to build a professional YouTube channel, from setting up your name and description to choosing the right banner and profile picture that instantly tells viewers what your channel is about, how to use ChatGPT to find unique, memorable channel names that actually fit your niche, names that sound professional, yet are easy to remember, how to design a clean, cinematic logo automatically with free AI image generators like Leonardo AI or Canva's Magic Studio. No design skills needed. How to research video ideas that are already proven to go viral. You'll learn how to analyze what's trending in the history niche, so you can create smarter, more engaging videos that people actually want to watch. How to generate a complete script for your chosen topic, written in a documentary-style tone, ready for voiceover. You'll see exactly what kind of prompt to use so your script sounds clear, informative, and professional. How to turn that script into a natural, human-sounding voiceover using free AI voice tools like ElevenLabs or Play.ht, even if you've never recorded audio before. How to generate stunning visuals for every line of your narration using AI tools like Pika Labs or Runway, perfect for documentary storytelling. How to combine your voice and visuals into a clean, professional-looking video using simple editing tools like CapCut or Descript. And finally, how to optimize everything: your title, thumbnail, and description, so your videos actually reach people and grow your channel fast. Everything in this tutorial uses free or freemium tools, so you can start today without spending a single dollar. If you've ever dreamed of running a faceless YouTube channel, especially in the history or documentary niche, this might be the single most valuable tutorial you'll ever watch. Now let's begin with step 1, creating your YouTube channel. The first step is all about presentation. If your channel looks professional from the start, people are more likely to take you seriously and subscribe. So open up ChatGPT. Before we can make the AI work for us, we need to give it a clear instruction, or what we call a prompt. Now go to the prompt labeled Channel Name Generator. This one is designed to create short, catchy, and brandable names specifically for YouTube channels. Copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll notice a number inside the prompt. It says something like generate 50 channel names. You can change that number if you want fewer options, but I usually stick with 50 to get a wide range. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of potential channel names. All unique, all relevant. Go through them carefully and pick one that fits your style. Something like History Lens, Past Stories, or Chrono View. Short, easy to remember, and visually appealing. Now that you've picked a name, let's move on to your channel logo. Scroll down to the section in the document labeled Logo Prompt. Copy the entire thing, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder text with your new channel name. Press Enter, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt you can use with AI art generators. Copy that logo prompt and head to Leonardo AI. This platform is completely free to start and produces some stunning visuals. Click on the Image Generation tab, paste your prompt, and select the model called Lucid Realism. It gives clean, realistic results perfect for logos. Choose the 1:1 image ratio, then click Generate. In a few seconds, you'll see 4 logo designs appear. Pick the one you like best, download it, and just like that, you've got a professional logo for your channel. Now it's time to actually create your YouTube channel. Head over to youtube.com, click Sign In, and then choose Create Account. Select for personal use, not the business one. Enter your chosen channel name, your details like birthday, gender, and password, and hit Next. Once your account is ready, go to YouTube Studio, click Customize Channel, and upload your new logo as your profile picture. Click Save, and your channel is officially live. Now that your channel is ready, it's time for the real work, creating your first viral documentary video. Every successful channel starts with one great idea, a topic that's both searchable and emotionally engaging. To find it, go back to ChatGPT. Use the channel analysis prompt from the document. Paste it in, and when it asks for a channel link, provide the link to any successful history documentary channel, maybe the one you discovered earlier. ChatGPT will analyze that channel, identify its most popular themes, and even list out its best performing videos. This gives you an inside look at what's currently trending in the niche. Once that's done, use the next prompt titled Viral Topic Ideas. Paste it into ChatGPT and tell it how many ideas you want. 5, 10, or even 20. The AI will then generate fresh, unique, and data-backed topics for your next documentary. Read through them and pick one that feels interesting to you. It could be something like The Forgotten War That Changed Everything, or How an Unknown Inventor Revolutionized Modern Life. That's your starting point. A topic with proven potential. Now that you have your topic, it's time to bring it to life with a strong, engaging script. Go to the script prompt section in the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Where it says your chosen topic, simply add your topic title. You'll notice that the prompt is designed to create scripts ranging from 5,000 to 6,000 words. That's perfect for 8 to 10-minute videos. If you're just testing, you can ask for a shorter version, maybe 500 to 600 words. Hit Enter and let ChatGPT do its magic. In less than a minute, you'll have a complete script written in a clear, documentary-style tone. Ready for voiceover. You can review it, tweak any parts you want to sound more personal, and then copy the final version. Now we need a professional voice for your script. Go to DubDub AI, a free AI voiceover tool that lets you generate natural-sounding narrations. Sign up with your Gmail account, and you'll instantly get 10 credits for free. Click on AI voiceover, paste your entire script into the box, and make sure it doesn't exceed 10,000 characters per section. If it's longer, split it into parts. Now select more voices, choose the quality as Ultra, and filter by senior age group. This gives you deep cinematic voices that fit the documentary vibe perfectly. Listen to a few samples and pick one you like. Once selected, click Generate and let the AI produce your narration. When it's ready, download it as an MP3 file. And that's your professional voiceover. Ready for the visuals. Now comes the fun part. Bringing your story to life visually. We'll use ChatGPT again, but this time with image prompts. If your script is short, use the small script image prompt from the PDF. If your script is long, use the extended image prompt instead. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then provide a few lines from your script. The AI will generate 2 outputs. First, your script lines, and second, a perfectly matched image prompt for each one. Copy those image prompts and head back to Leonardo AI. Click Generate Image, paste the first prompt, select Lucid Realism again, and this time choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. You'll get 4 visually stunning images. Pick your favorite, download it, and repeat the process for each prompt. In a few minutes, you'll have a full set of visuals for your documentary, completely generated by AI. Now that we have all the visuals, it's time to animate them into video form. For that, we'll use a tool called Flow, which gives you 1,000 free credits per month. Each video clip costs around 20 credits, which means you can create up to 50 clips without paying a single cent. Go to Flow, click on V3, choose Landscape, and then click on Text to Video. Upload your first image, paste its corresponding prompt into the box, and click Generate. Flow will turn your static image into a moving video scene, complete with ambient sound and natural camera movement. Repeat this for all your images. Once done, download each video clip in 720p or 1080p quality. Now you have a collection of cinematic clips that match your narration. It's time to assemble everything into one cohesive video. You can use any editor you like: CapCut, Clipchamp, or DaVinci Resolve. Open your editor, create a new project, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Import your AI-generated videos and your voiceover. Place your voiceover on the timeline first, then add visuals that sync with each line. Adjust timing so the transitions feel smooth and natural. If Flow videos include a watermark, simply crop in a bit. It'll disappear. Once your visuals are synced, add captions using the built-in subtitle generator. Most editors now have auto-captioning. Just click Transcribe, and it'll automatically generate text for your narration. And that's it. You've got a complete documentary ready to publish. Before hitting upload, let's make sure your video performs well. Go back to ChatGPT and use the SEO prompt from the document. Paste your full script or a summary of your video. ChatGPT will generate a catchy SEO-optimized title, a detailed description including keywords, relevant hashtags and tags to improve discoverability. For example, if your video is about the Roman Empire, the AI might generate a title like "The Rise and Fall of Rome: How an Empire Shaped Our World." Below that, it'll write a description that sounds human and keyword-rich, improving your ranking on YouTube's algorithm. Finally, let's talk thumbnails, because even the best video won't perform if nobody clicks on it. Go to the thumbnail prompt in your document, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. The AI will return a detailed image generation prompt you can use with Leonardo AI. Paste that prompt into Leonardo, select Lucid Realism, and generate 4 thumbnail options. Pick the one that catches your eye. Bold colors, expressive faces, and big, readable text. Download your chosen thumbnail, maybe tweak it with free tools like Canva if needed, and you're done. And that's it. You've just learned how to build a complete faceless history documentary channel. From designing the brand, writing the script, generating the voice, and creating the visuals, to editing and publishing your very first video. You didn't need a fancy camera, a professional studio, or expensive software. Just a laptop, an internet connection, and the power of AI tools that are freely available to everyone. Now think about this for a second. If you repeat this simple process once every week, in just 2 or 3 months, you'll have around 10 professional quality videos uploaded on your channel. That's the exact kind of consistency that helped dozens of small history channels grow from 0 views to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Some of them are now making over $20,000 a month in ad revenue, all from faceless videos made with the same methods you just learned. If you want access to every single prompt and tool mentioned in this tutorial, check the link in the description. I've uploaded a complete guide as a free PDF on Telegram. You can join the group, download it instantly, and start building your channel today. Remember, opportunities like this don't stay secret for long. AI is changing everything, and soon, everyone will be using it to create content. The ones who start early will always have the advantage. Real channels, real income, and real creative freedom. So don't overthink it. Open ChatGPT, grab your prompts, and start creating your first history video today. Because your next upload might just be the one that changes your life forever. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating.